Before we get to the ideas for passive income, I think it's a good idea to clear up a few misconceptions. Although the term passive income implies that you have to do nothing to generate income, this is not the case. All passive income streams will necessitate at least one of the two following components: a monetary investment made up front, an initial time investment. You don't earn residual income unless you are willing to provide at least one of these two items. First, it's critical to understand what passive income is not. Passive income is not your job, nor is it freelancing or online work. Passive income is earned by doing something once or for a while and reaping the benefits from it in the future. These types of passive income necessitate an initial investment in order to generate passive income later. Don't be alarmed, though. Some of these ideas can be started with as little as $5, making them accessible to almost anyone. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, as it helps us a lot. Now, as promised, here's 5 online passive income ideas to try in 2022. 1. Dividend stocks. Dividend-paying stocks allow investors to be paid even when the market is volatile and capital gains are difficult to achieve. They are an excellent inflation hedge, especially when they grow over time. They are taxed differently than other types of income, such as interest on fixed income investments. Dividend stocks are a tried and true method of generating passive income. To receive large dividend checks, you will need to conduct extensive research and invest a significant amount of money. However, if you consistently invest in dividend stocks, you can build up a nice residual income over time. 2. Sell information products. One popular strategy for passive income is to create an information product, such as an e-book or an audio or video course. Courses can be distributed and sold on sites like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera. You could also consider a freemium model, which entails building a following with free content and then charging for more detailed information or for those who want to know more. This model may be used by language teachers and stock picking advice, for example. The free content serves as a demonstration of your expertise and may attract those looking to advance. 3. Affiliate marketing. Website owners, social media, influencers, or bloggers use affiliate marketing to promote a third party's product by including a link to the product on their website or social media account. Amazon is the most well-known affiliate partner, but eBay, Awin, and ShareASale are also big names. And Instagram and TikTok have grown into massive platforms for those looking to build a following and promote their products. You could also consider building an email list to attract attention to your blog or to direct people to products and services that they might be interested in. Here's a kind reminder to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything worth knowing in the future. 4. Invest in REITs. A real estate investment trust, or REIT, is a fancy name for a company that owns and manages real estate. REITs have a unique legal structure that allows them to pay little or no corporate income tax if they distribute the majority of their earnings to shareholders. REITs, like any other company or dividend stock, can be purchased on the stock market. You'll earn whatever dividends the REIT pays out, and the best REITs have a track record of increasing their dividends on an annual basis, so you could have a growing stream of dividends over time. 5. Create a blog or start a YouTube channel. Are you an expert on European travel? A Minecraft guru? A professional cook? Turn your passion for a subject into a blog or a YouTube channel, and monetize it with ads or sponsors. Find a popular topic, even if it is a small niche, and become an expert in it. You'll need to create a suite of content and attract an audience at first, but as you become known for your engaging content, it can provide a steady income stream over time. You can use a free platform to build a following, then use your excellent content to grow it. The more distinctive your voice or area of interest, the easier it will be for you to become the person to follow. Then you can attract sponsors to you. Another great thing with YouTube videos is that videos from the past will continue to give an income through ads. But it's important to remember that building a YouTube channel or a blog takes a lot of consistency and hard work, but it's definitely possible. Do you know of any other passive income ideas that are worth trying? Please let us know down in the comments, and leave a like if the video was valuable. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.